Howdy folks, Dave here. How you doing? Well, in this chapter of life, Bigfoot life, we're going to talk about howls, howling, the effect it has on us. And if you ever heard a Bigfoot howl, which I don't know really if I have or not, but it is a blood-curdling experience, to say the least. I have in my video vaults, and you can find it somewhere in here, on different Bigfoot howls. It's rather good. You may want to listen to it. There's some in there that'll just make your skin crawl, give you them goosebumps, them willy goosebumps. Yeah, let me tell you, there's some blood-curdling stuff in there. If you get a chance, look it up. It's in there. It's in here somewhere. Look it up. That's all I can say. I have so many videos, you just need to look them up. But anyways, let's get down to the howling business. Okay, howls. Well, a lot of it's a mistaken identity. It could be wolves, timber wolf, a gray wolf, a red wolf. Depending on your area, on where you live, the region you're living in, wolves are adapted to that environment. Timber wolf, gray wolf, coyotes, they're all foxes, they're all in that group, which howl. And of course, each one makes its own separate and distinct howl. Now, going on to another different type of howl, you have moose, elk, deer actually howl, whitetail, and mule deer. Of course, now this is on the region you're living in. So, Wisconsin, there might be a few moose way up north, but I don't know. Do we have elk? We have elk farms here. And we also have elk roaming around. They started that project here, say, 10 years ago. They let elk run to see what would happen. So, and I haven't really kept up on that. But elk do howl. So do white-tailed deer. So do mule deer. We do not have mule deer here, so I couldn't tell you what that would sound like. But we do have whitetail, and white-tailed deer do howl. Elk howl. Moose howl. Bigfoot howls. Owls. There's plenty of owls out there that are mistaken for a Bigfoot. Why? They're pretty loud. Your barred owl, your long-eared owl, great horned owl, great gray owl, snowy owl. These all live here in Wisconsin. Very well could be misidentified as a Bigfoot. We also have the smaller animals. Possums, raccoon. You know what? They do howl. Could they be mistaken for a Bigfoot? Well, if you're a amateur Bigfoot person, yes. If you're knowledgeable in the howling business, you can identify who's saying what or who's howling. So, with all of that in mind, are the howls that are you getting a Bigfoot, or are they nature's way of communicating out there? Do we really know? I don't. I'm just guessing. Throwing this out there. I'm not saying that you're wrong. I'm not saying you're right. I'm just saying some people are making this bigger than what it really is. And they're not your average Bigfoot howls. They're, of course, something from something else. And, of course, yeah, the hoaxers, you got your own howlers out there. Yeah, so you can talk to each other. The hoaxers howl. Oh, did you hear that? And they holler back, howl back. Oh, they're talking to me. Well, hello. Yeah. Hey, howl at the moon next time. You never know what might happen. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.